My name's Lee Slusser. I'm from Altoona, and I'm a graduate of the Electrical Trades program at the Greater Altoona Career and Technology Center. Graduated in June of 2021. I had just lost my job due to COVID-related budget cuts, and as a very specific profession that didn't have a lot of demand in the Altoona area. My family didn't want to leave the area, so it made more sense to change professions. And there was a demand at that time for electricians. I found out about this program and enrolled in it because it was so close to home, inexpensive, and accessible. You know, I could be here in minutes. They offered a full range of hands-on experiences, which is really important for learning the electrical trades, is experience actually working with the tools, the wires, actually hands-on, so that I could go out into the workforce fairly well experienced. Learned a lot of heavy emphasis on the National Electrical Code, on how you wire things properly for inspections, so that your work passes inspection and so that it's safe and it doesn't hurt anyone or cause any property damage. We did a lot of technical theory work. At least half the time, if not more, we were hands-on working, learning how to do things that are hard to learn on a job site just because there's a cost involved with the materials. And that's really one of the huge benefits of GACTC. You have to, especially as an adult student, kind of drive yourself and be interested and try to learn on your own as much as possible. The classroom is shared with high school students who are here at the same time, and that wasn't nearly as awkward as I thought it might be. Actually, they were great comic relief at times, but they also taught me things. As a lot of them had been around electricity for longer than I had. I had done a year's worth of hands-on training on a full-time basis. You get basically a certificate of having completed the electrical trades program. It's a great way to get up to speed in it relatively quickly in a convenient local location for a reasonable cost. And in a reasonable amount of time, 1 year. GACTC offers a lot of programs, and there are a lot of programs because of its nature that are in some demand locally. I was always impressed by all that went on here. It's kind of an impressive place. It does its own auto body work, its own cooking, its own baking, its own hairstyles. Everybody kind of feeds off each other, and occasionally you intersect with the other programs. You have an opportunity to even go beyond what you had come in for.